Hello friends, I am C. Rakesh Maurya. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are fine in this pandemic situation and be safe. Today I will here to discuss with you one of the outcome that GST Council refer composition scheme for ice cream makers back to fitment committee. Uh, we reading this article from A to Z TaxCorp LLP. As the latest outcome that ice cream sector will have to wait to be included in the composition scheme of goods and service tax, with the GST Council referring the matter back to the Fitment Committee. Actually, the issue is critical for small ice cream manufacturer. In this February, the Delhi High Court said that the GST Council should reconsider exclusion of ice cream from the list of manufacturers eligible for composition scheme within 3 months. Composition scheme is specified under Section 10 of the CGST Act. In this scheme, it is the scheme that trader and manufacturer will allowed to pay 1% or tax of their turnover. Restaurants not having serving alcohol will be allowed to 5% of their gross turnover, and service provider be allowed to pay 6% of their total turnover. And this scheme is available for SSC dealers having turnover up to rupees 1.5 crores. The benefit of this scheme, composition scheme, is that you not need to pay item wise tax like 5%, 12%, 18%. You just pay to flat tax 1% for trader and manufacturer, 5% for restaurant, and 6% for service provider. Limitation of this scheme that this scheme is available only SSC dealers having turnover up to rupees 1.5 crores. आगे next, value addition. According to senior official, the issue was placed before the GST Council on Friday. It asked that Fitment Committee to examine this matter further. He told Business Line. The committee observed that revenue implication of inclusion of ice cream under composition has significant implication as it high value addition. Means the ice cream sector give government a high revenue. That's why government thinking about that in detail. The committee was felt that there is a need for a detailed study of coverage, inclusion, and exclusion from composition scheme, particularly as regards sector where there is a significant value addition and composition, he said. Another official said that even in pre-GST regime, ice cream sector will not be a part of a composition in number of states. Using data provided by Amul, he said that ice cream manufactured of value rupees 100. अगर हम 100 रुपीज़ के आइसक्रीम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं तो रुपीज़ 54 worth of milk and ice cream is used, which is exempted from GST, and total taxes paid on imports worth rupees 100 is 4.17, which is less than 5% of the value of inputs. Hence, the ice cream manufacturer is required to pay a significant portion of liability in a cash, as input credit is very low. That's why government is thinking too much about whether to just ice cream manufacturer to be included in composition or not. According to market size, according to 2019 data, the Indian ice cream market is around 15,000 crores rupees. Brands such as Amul and Quality Walls dominate the market with nearly three-fourths of the shares. There are other big players such as Vanilla, Naturals, Amul, Mother Dairy, etc. However, there are many small vendors operating locally who have turnover of up to rupees 1.5 crores. That's it, friend. This is the latest outcome which I discussed with all of you. And for this kind of latest updates, you can subscribe our channel, and please like and share the video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.